Here to follow up on one of the commitments we made to Mr. President when we visited him about 2 months ago to thank him for all the good things he's doing for us. Appointments of our illustrious sons to very exalted positions. And in that visit, we did promise him that in a way to help the federal government while we still wait for him to fix the east-west route for us, that we're creating an alternative route. So this particular project is Woji-Aleto-Alesa project is a very important project to us because it's going to help reduce the traffic flow from the bad east-west road, pending when it will be fixed. So we had an understanding with the contractor and we did meet our own part of the commitment. So we're here to see what they're doing because we gave them a timeline on when the project will be delivered. Yeah, compared to what I saw the last time we came, I think they're doing, they are serious now. It's a win-win for us. Yeah, it's important for us to put the record straight. This particular project is one of those projects that I did inherit from the immediate past administration. They foresee a situation where if the east-west road is not put in place, that we still need to create alternative routes for business activity in this state. So we inherited it, and they also promised that in line with our commitment, our mantra of consolidation and continuity, that we must see that this project is completed. We have a mission, and their mission to our dear state is not to lower the tempo. We know that River State is noted for project. And I can assure you and assure the world that no matter what the situation is, we're not going to lower the standard that we have come to meet.